Hello and welcome to the Civil War in Missouri LibGuide for students and teachers. My name is Jen Papillo. The purpose of this LibGuide is to compile many electronic and print resources that students can use to research information on the Civil War and the role that Missouri played in this important historical event. It is also for teachers to use as a way to plan for this research to happen. This LibGuide has many great resources. There are print resources such as encyclopedias and dictionaries. There are also a lot of really great electronic resources such as databases like Gale Global Issues and Mass Ultra School Editions that give students primary resources such as newspaper and journals. And they also give them really great nonfiction articles that you can tailor to student reading levels. There are also Missouri-related resources that are free for students to use, such as Missouri Biographies for Students, and two important government resources, Missouri Digital Heritage and Missouri State Archives, that really give the first-hand account of the different people that lived in Missouri during the time of the Civil War. I want to scroll down and teach you today how to use DK Find Out. DK Find Out is really informative and simple to use for any research project, not just this one. When you come to my LibGuide, all of the information is hyperlinked. So all you have to do is scroll over any electronic information and you'll see that you are able to click on it. When you click on the DK Find Out hyperlink, you'll come to its homepage. On the homepage, there's a search bar in the upper left-hand corner. For this information you want to find on the Civil War, you can just type in something simple like Civil War and click Enter. Hundreds of results will pop up for this research term. So you might want to teach your kids how to weed out and find the information that they are looking for specifically. Today, I want to scroll down to what started the war. So I can click on it, and you'll see that you not only get a very manageable size text for students to read in a short period of time, but you also get this fantastic colorful map that students can use to understand what the text is saying. This is really a nice way for students to look at text features while they're reading, while also getting the information from the nonfiction article. You can use DK Find Out, like I said, for any topic whatsoever, so I would really suggest bookmarking this great resource so that students can always turn to it when they are researching.